spotting inconsistencies that the human eye might miss. AutoCAD doesn't just find the errors, it suggests solutions to fix them. This level of automated error detection not only saves you time and frustration, but it also ensures the accuracy and integrity of your designs. Supercharging your design's AI-powered performance optimization. We all know the feeling. You're working on a complex design in AutoCAD, and suddenly, everything slows to a crawl. Lag, freezes, and slow rendering times can be a real buzzkill. But what if you could optimize your designs for maximum performance, ensuring they run smoothly and efficiently? That's where AI-powered performance optimization comes in. AutoCAD's AI algorithms can analyze your designs, identifying potential bottlenecks and areas where performance can be improved. The AI can recommend streamlining geometries, optimizing file sizes, and even adjusting display settings to ensure your designs run like a dream. This means less lag, faster rendering times, and a smoother, more enjoyable design experience overall. When your designs run efficiently, you save valuable processing power and reduce the strain on your hardware. The future of teamwork, AI-enhanced collaboration tools. Collaboration is key in design, but it can also be a major pain point. Managing feedback, tracking changes, and ensuring everyone's on the same page can feel like a juggling act. With AI-enhanced collaboration tools, AutoCAD is transforming the way teams work together. Imagine real-time chatbots that can answer your team's questions, AI-powered translation tools that break down language barriers, and intelligent notification systems that keep everyone informed of important updates. AI can also analyze team dynamics, identifying potential roadblocks, and suggesting optimized workflows. With AI-enhanced collaboration, you can say goodbye to miscommunication, version control nightmares, and endless email chains. It's about empowering teams to work together seamlessly, unlocking a new level of productivity and creativity. Level up your design game. And there you have it, folks. We've just scratched the surface of AutoCAD's hidden AI features. These AI tools aren't just gimmicks. They're game changers that can revolutionize your workflow, boost your productivity, and unlock a whole new level of creativity. It's time to ditch the outdated methods and step into the future of design. That's it for today's video. If you found these hidden AI features in AutoCAD helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.